Spicy noodle lovers, Drunken Noodles is going to be your new favorite dish. It's a spicy Thai noodle stir fry. It hits every single note. It's got big flavor, lots of spice to it. I love it. So let me show you how to make it. The first thing we want to do is make our sauce. So here I have 3 tablespoons of oyster sauce. And this is kind of sticky, slightly sweet. Get that into our mixing bowl. Let's see how sticky it is. And I have a 1.5 tablespoons each of a light soy sauce and a dark soy sauce, which is like more concentrated flavor. You can see how much thicker that is. And I have a couple tablespoons here of sriracha. You can dial that back if you want to. Use a little bit milder, maybe 1 teaspoon or tablespoon, or add more if you'd like. I know you want to. And I have a teaspoon of sugar for a touch of extra sweet. And you can use honey or brown sugar is good too. And here I have about a teaspoon and a half or so of minced garlic. And garlic powder is fine. And as always with gorgeous garlic, you can add more if you want. And, all right, let's go ahead and mix this together. This is going to be our sauce for the Drunken Noodles. Lots of flavor here, my friends. And you'll notice, interesting thing about Drunken Noodles, that it's called Drunken Noodles, but there's actually no alcohol in the dish. It's actually said that it's named because it's quite popular with, after a night of drinking. You know, who doesn't like a nice spicy dish after you've been drinking all evening? So I know I like it. All right, let's set this aside and get cooking. All right, next get a pan or a wok set up to a good medium-high heat. And we're going to add some vegetable oil. Peanut oil is good here, or a neutral oil. And go ahead and add, I have here 1 medium onion that is chopped, along with some chili peppers. And I've got bird's eye. I've got about 3 bird's eye chilies here. Nice and spicy, good heat level to these. But you can use milder peppers if you want to. If you have a hard time finding bird's eyes, you can use something like a jalapeno or even a serrano. You can definitely go hotter if you want. So I'll throw in some ghost peppers in here, make it nice and spicy. So go ahead and cook this down for about 3 minutes or so to soften up the peppers and onions, and then we will continue. All right, we're cooking up nicely here. So the next step is going to add some minced garlic. And I've got a couple good-sized cloves of minced garlic. Gorgeous garlic, my favorite. And I have a 1/2 pound of chopped chicken. Here I'm using chicken breast. But you can use chicken thigh as well, boneless chicken. And I have a tablespoon of fish sauce. It's a nice little flavor addition. Fish sauce, very powerful, yummy. All right, so go ahead and stir fry this for about 2 to 3 minutes or so while your chicken is cooking in the pan. Go ahead and get your rice noodles ready. I got my water boiling on the stove. And I have about 8 ounces here of rice noodles, so I'm going to go ahead and get this boiling. And then we will continue. Shrimp is also a very popular addition for Drunken Noodles. So if you want to make this with shrimp instead of chicken, go for it. It's delicious. Get that drained. And into the pan they go. Give it a nice stir. Mix it all together. Little stir fry on the noodles. All right, next, go ahead and add your reserved sauce, the Drunken Noodle sauce. Just gonna scoop it in there. And go ahead and give it a stir and make sure everything's nicely incorporated. So this is a fast-moving dish, my friends. Just got to have everything kind of in place. Your mise en place, they say. Everything in its place. All right, look at that. Looking good already. Smells amazing in here. Here I have about a 1/4 cup to a 1/2 cup or so of green onion. And you can really add as much as you want. Some nice, fresh green onion. And some holy basil or Thai basil. Or you can use, Italian basil is totally fine here. Really green herbs, but holy basil is kind of more commonly used. And some cherry tomatoes. Kind of slice mine in half. Get everything tossed together. And Drunken Noodles on the way. You guys are going to enjoy the heck out of this one. Yummy, delicious. You don't even need to be out on a night of drinking. Quick weeknight meal. I really hope you guys love this recipe. Please please leave a comment below. I'd love to hear how you make it your own. Give it a like. And I love this one so much. I hope you like it. All right, let's give it a taste. Dude. Spicy noodles rule. I love them.